Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel Math Magic. So, the question is find dy dx y equals to x to the power x. So, let's see. So, see here function to the power another function is given. So, in that case, we have to take log both side. So, given y equals to x to the power x, taking log both side l- log y equals to log x to the power x. Okay, so there is a formula log a to the power b equals to b log a. From this formula we can write that log y equals to x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get derivative of log y will be 1 by y dy dx equals to c. This is multiplication of two functions. So here we apply the uv rule. Here u is this and v is this. So x into ddx of log x plus log x into ddx of x. So 1 by y dy dx as it is equals to x into ddx of log x will be 1 by x plus log x, cos ddx of x will be 1. So 1 by y dy dx equals to x and x becomes cancel 1 plus log x. So dy dx equals to y into 1 plus log x, and y is x to the power x. So x to the power x into 1 plus log x. This is the answer, guys. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.